Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you subject Social Science, Standard 6, Unit 1. Let's know the history. Today's topic is dateline. What is dateline and its importance? When we study history, we look at the dates associated with the kings and events. Dates are formed before or after time. It has been decided to give a definite time to know when this event took place. Without dates, we can't know the exact time of event, and this time represented by AD stand for Anno Domini and BC stand for before the birth of Jesus Christ. Dateline. Time is very important in history. Events can be written along with time and place. We can relate time with date, month, and year, such as July 20, 2018, Friday. As per it, time is associated with birth of Jesus Christ. Birth of Jesus Christ, founder of Christianity, has been associated with dateline. We can call it AD. For example, July 20, 2018, Friday, AD. As Christianity is associated with the most nation of the world, we use the same date line in India as in many nations. This year, Christ was born is considered AD 1, and the year before that is labeled 1 BC. Historians use a nomenclature with less religious connotations, namely CE and BCE, where CE means Common Era and BCE stands for Before Common Era. Although the labels used are different, BC and BCE are the same, and so are AD and CE. The system of numbering years was invented by Dionysius Exus in AD 525 and is used in Julian and Gregorian calendars. Here are two types of dateline to show dates. AD stand for Anno Domini, BC stand for before the birth of Jesus Christ. How we can distinguish between AD and BC? AD stand for Anno Domini, Latin for Year of Our Lord, also known as Common Era, writing style AD 2020. AD is calculated in a straight direction. The current Gregorian calendar is based on Jesus Christ, AD. Now BC stand for before the birth of Jesus Christ, also known as BCE, before Common Era. We can use BCE instead of BC. Writing style 45 BC. BC is calculated in opposite direction of AD. Here you can see this picture. you can easily understand how to write AD, BC before dates.